Welcome to Graphic Island tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can create professional and standard certificate design using MS Word. So let's get started. Go to Insert, Shape and take this rectangular tool and click here. And here give the standard resolution for the certificate. The standard resolution for the certificate is 8.5 inch and the length is 11. But when you give the standard size for the certificate, here you can see this our rectangle becomes much bigger than the uh, default page of the MS Word. So here what I'll do, I'll change the ratio to the half what I entered here. So instead of 8.5 here I'll give 4.25, enter. And instead of 11 here I'll give 5.5 inches. Now select this one, to right click over this and here wrap text and take in front of text, and now again go to Insert, Shape, take rectangular tool and here draw a background from here to here. And let's change the color for this background, so do right click over this, format shape, and let's remove this line color and change the fill color. So from here you can change the fill color. Let's take this color, close it, and now let's send this one to the back. So do right click over this and here send to back. Now select this one, do right click over this, format shape and choose white color. Now go to Insert, Shape and take this curve tool, and now from the center, from here using Control key, click to this end, click here, click to this end and complete the shape. Now do right click over this, format shape, line color, remove this line color, so click on no line, and in fill color let's take this gradient fill color and here we'll change the color for the gradient. So from here take this dark one side and in other side take more darker, and in the middle take this one. So here you can see the differences here. So what I'll do, I'll take this one here and I'll take this one at the center. So now it looks perfect and close it. Now take the curve tool again and from here draw it up to, click here and complete it. Do right click, format it and change the fill color here. Let's take more dark, and in line color remove this line color, so this becomes too much dark. So go to fill option, here you can give the transparency like this and match up and close it. Next again take this curve tool and now again from this point using Control key draw the shape like this. If you remove this Control key in your keyboard then it becomes curve here. and complete the shape. Now do right click again, format it, and there is no line color, that's fine. So take this gradient fill color, and here we'll apply again three different color here. So select this color point, and from the color option here choose the color. So let's choose this one. Now select this one, again change the color. So this time we'll take little dark, and again select this one, change the color, and go to line and remove this line color, close it. Now again take this curve tool. So here I'm using this curve tool like a pen tool, and here, and close the shape. Do right click again, format it, and here choose this gradient fill color, and here we'll change the color. So here we'll remove this only, we'll keep two colors, and let's change the color angle here. So from here you can change it, instead of 90° you can give 180, enter. So 180 is not fine, let's change it. Using arrow key you can change the angle like this. So this side becomes too dark, let's take little light color, let's take this one, and here let's take more lighter color and close it. Still we need to remove the outline, so I missed that, and close it. Now we need to make the similar shape to that side. For that what I'll do, I'll select this one, using Control key on the keyboard, drag it and make a copy. After making copy, just drag it like this and make a duplicate and place this one here. Or go to insert, here you will find this text box. So select the text box, and once you click over the text box here you can see draw text box here. So you can select this one and here make a text box, and inside the text box here you can write certificate. So after writing this certificate, now do right click over this, format shape, no fill color, no line color, close. Select this one, go to home option. From here you can increase the size and change the font from here. So here let me use Trojan font, and let's change the color for this font. So from here you can take this white color and take this one center. Now drag it using Alt key and make a duplicate and place it here and edit it now. And let's change the font for this and take this one at the center, and let's change the font, select it, and from here we can change the font and edit it now. Now select the text and from here reduce the size, and now change the font for this one. and take this one here. Now let's make duplicate using control key, drag it, and here write. Let's take this font and increase the size from here. And now select it. From here you can make it bold little. Now select this text using control key, drag it and bring it here. Here write more text regarding your certificate, institute, program, everything. And let's change the dark black color. So from here take it little this gray. Now select it, drag it by using control key and bring it here. So here write date. Now drag this one again using control key and take this one here using shift key so that our alignment should be equal. Take this one towards right hand side using arrow key on your keyboard and edit this one. Here write signature. Take line tool and here draw a line like this. Bring this line using control key, make duplicate using shift key with the same alignment, place it here. Now here we need one hologram mark for the certificate. So for that go to insert, picture, and here I'll use this insert, and after inserting it from here take it in front of text and bring it here. So here the other one is missing. Let me take again this one and again from here in front of text. Now drag it down and take this one here, drag it down more, take this one and this one more down using arrow key on your keyboard. Take this one and this one down. Make this one little more bigger in size. So let me change this font. We can use better font instead of this. We can use this font and increase the size from here. And now let me zoom in. So here at the center we'll create one circle. Go to insert, shape, and take this oval and using shift key here draw a circle like this. Take this one at the center. Now do right click over this, format it, and remove this line. Go to fill color, use gradient, and here we'll change the gradient color. We can add color at the center of this gradient, and here let me make it more darker. close. And now let's take this one at the center, drag it down and make the size smaller. Do right click over this, take this, bring to front, and take this one here. Drag this one using Control key and bring it here. So here write 2021 and bring to front. Let's change the color to white. Take this one here. Now drag it using Control key and make duplicate. And here write a word. Now go to Insert, Shape, and take this rectangular tool. Here draw a rectangle from here to here. Do right click and format and remove this fill color. In line color, let's take the gradient line color. From here change the color, take this one, take this one. And now you can reduce the brightness from here, give transparency as well, and close it. Now the certificate is ready. Hope you understand all the steps I did. See you in next video.